insecure voting. This problem says to consider a city council election in a district that is historically 60% Democratic voters and 40% Republican voters. Even though city council is technically a nonpartisan office, people generally know the affiliations of the candidates. In this election, there are 3 candidates, Dawn and Key, which are both Democrats, and L, a Republican. A preference schedule for the votes looks as follows. If we look at a preference schedule, we see that by plurality, L would win this election. However, if we think about the historical percentages for Democrats and Republicans, with Dawn and Key both being Democratic, if we were to add up their total number of votes, we would see that there are 483 people who voted for a Democratic candidate, which is more than the 342 votes that went towards the Republican candidate. So in this case, we're looking at an election where you might say that the vote was split among the Democrats. There are 483 who voted Democratically. However, because there are 2 Democratic candidates, some of the votes went to Key and some of the votes went to Dawn. Say that a voter is thinking about how much value their individual vote will make. They might want to vote for Dawn, but thinking about the outcome of the election, they might realize that Key might be the more popular candidate out of the 2, and maybe they don't want L to win at all. So someone might choose, instead of voting their true preference of Dawn, they might choose to vote for Key to guarantee that even if their person, Dawn, doesn't win, at least another Democratic candidate would win. And that would be considered insecure voting. If someone votes different from their actual preferred choice.